Friends, how you doing? Today we're gonna make a Smashin' Old Fashioned, which is an old fashioned riff off of a whiskey smash, and we're gonna make it completely without alcohol for dry January. The ingredients you'll need are Lyre's Highland malt, honey, mint tea, orange bitters, and lemon zest. Let's get into it right here. We're gonna start with our ice. Grab a big old chunk of it with your hand, because it's home, right? Grab one of your ice molds to make one of these big rocks. We do recommend serving it over a big rock, but if you don't have it, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna start with our base, guys. 2 ounces of Lyre's Highland malt.
This is a spirit-free single malt whiskey.
Yum.
It's got notes of toffee, oak.
So we'll do 2 ounces with that. And the reason we're using this one too is because it's gonna go really well with the honey syrup we made. This is a mint honey syrup, simple syrup, remember, it's simple. All we're gonna do is take hot water, mix it with honey in equal parts. Now the hot water, just take 1 bag of mint tea, steep it for 5 minutes, mix that hot water with equal parts honey, so 1 cup, boom, mint honey under 10 minutes. Super tasty. So a 1/4 ounce, and remember, we're adding the sugar, right? Just a 1/4 ounce. We're making old fashioned, we're seasoning our base. It's gonna add texture, amplify those flavors too, plus the honey and mint, really nice pairing. And then 2 dashes of our all the bitter, alcohol-free orange bitters. And if you don't have those at home, guys, and you're doing a dry January, but you regularly imbibe, you can use an orange bitter in place of the all the bitters. But this is what I drink, and this is what Sam drinks too. And then all we gotta do is get in there and stir that up. Super easy. As we stir it, we're creating a little dilution, we're opening it up, and then the last thing we're gonna do is just add a little citrus on top with a lemon zest. Sam, if you don't mind doing the honors. And friends, again, that's gonna wake it up, make it a really pleasant smell to really open up the drink. So the Smashin' Old Fashioned, awesome. Besides being really, really good, kind of like a play off a hot toddy, kind of a play on a whiskey smash. A whiskey smash is just whiskey and lemon juice, simple syrup, shaken up with mint. So a refreshing whiskey sour. And a hot toddy, of course, like I like it with scotch, honey, and hot water. In this case, the honey and mint go really well with our scotch alternative and make it a really smooth, as everybody likes, easy drinking old fashioned. And that is our Smashin' Old Fashioned, spirit free for dry January.